Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is pagination sizing. What we discuss on today? Pagination sizing. In this tutorial I am explain how to write code for pagination sizing, different paginations. This is the large pagination sizing and this one is the default pagination and this one is the small. How to write these three large, small and default paginations using Bootstrap4. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic what we discussed on today. How to create pagination sizing using Bootstrap4. This is the Bootstrap4 basic example of HTML. Here I am calling the only Bootstrap4 libraries. Here I am write H1. Pagination sizing tutorial for Bootstrap4 beginners. Okay. Next, new class container. Pagination sizing. Real class pagination. Li class page item. A class page link. Okay. A class page link page div. Here I am at the, this is the default. Here I am at the pagination LG. Also check the output. Yeah, this is the pagination sizing, pagination LG large. Here I am at the class is pagination LG. Here I am at the class is pagination LG. Okay. Pagination LG for larger blocks or pagination SM for smaller blocks. Okay, so check the output. This is the default. Next one is the small. This is the small, default and large. Okay. Here I have read the small CSS for this. So guys, this is the process to get the pagination sizing using Bootstrap4. I hope we all understand how to get the pagination sizing using Bootstrap4. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMO. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can regularly get notifications to our Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.